The National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Bailey County in northwestern Texas, northern Lamb County in northwestern Texas, until 8 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Needmore, or 14 miles south of Muleshoe, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Muleshoe, Sudan, Amherst, Needmore, Progress, and Muleshoe Wildlife Refuge. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northwestern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.